Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your iPhone is unlocked, on the same Apple ID and updated. This avoids account and compatibility conflicts. Once the HomePod shows a pulsing white light, plug it in and keep your phone very close. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and any VPNs are off so discovery works. When the automatic setup card appears on your iPhone, tap Setup and follow the prompts to transfer network, Siri, and Apple ID settings. This gets the connection started immediately. Once pairing begins, you'll choose the home and room so the device integrates with your automations and multi-room audio. That organization matters for HomeKit scenes. Make sure personal requests are set according to privacy needs and enable location services so Siri can give context-aware answers. Pick Siri's language and voice now. These options affect recognition and responses. Finally, confirm media access and handoff settings so music transfers. Finish by allowing any firmware update to complete and then test basic functions. Ask Siri a question, start AirPlay, and try a handoff. If things don't show up, restart your iPhone and router, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, and disable hotspots. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the HomePod only if necessary. Unplug it, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, press and hold the top until the light turns red and you hear 3 beeps. Then attempt setup again. This clears stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.